The Drum That Called the Rain, a 3D style African folktale. In the sun-blasted savanna of Njoro, the land had forgotten the sound of rain. Rivers cracked into dry scars, animals moved like shadows, and even the wind coughed dust instead of breath. At the edge of the village lived Abeni, a restless young girl known for two things: asking too many questions and drumming on anything she could reach: pots, gourds, tree stumps, even her grandmother's knees. But Abeni wasn't just loud, she had rhythm in her bones. One night, while the moon hung low and orange like a watching eye, Abeni heard a faint beat coming from the old baobab tree. Not wind, drumming, slow, deep, patient. Thump, thump, thump. Curious, she approached. From the roots rose a shimmering figure made of dust and starlight. Ngoma, the spirit of echoes. You have the hands of thunder, Ngoma said, but this land is silent. If you dare, follow the rhythm inside you and awaken what sleeps. Abeni didn't hesitate. She crafted a drum from carved wood and stretched hide, painting it with symbols from her ancestors. When she struck it, the ground trembled lightly, almost as if listening. The next day, she walked into the center of the village. Elders frowned. Farmers shook their heads. This is not the time for noise, they said. But Abeni lifted the drum, breathed deeply, and played. The sound exploded into the air, bold, rolling, alive. The rhythm leapt from her hands like sparks, weaving through huts, dancing across dust, sprinting toward the horizon. Clouds formed, dark, heavy, hungry. The people stared upward as the sky rumbled a reply to her drumming. First softly, then fiercely. A flash of lightning tore through the sky, and rain fell like it had been waiting years. Children screamed with joy, elders wept. The earth drank greedily. Ngoma appeared again, unseen by all but Abeni. You did not call the rain, the spirit said. You reminded the sky that this land still has a heartbeat. Abeni smiled, holding her drum close. From that day on, whenever drought threatened, she drummed, not for the people, not for the rain, but for the bond between earth and sky. And both always listened.